problem natin is x is equal to C1 cosine WT plus C2 sine WT. May dalawa tayong constant which are C1 and C2. And yung W, hindi siya constant, kundi parameter. Meaning, hindi dapat i-eliminate. So, since dalawa ang constant natin, dalawang beses tayo mag-differentiate. So, first is dx over dt equal to C1 d over dt cosine u times d over dt u plus C2 d over dt cos sine wt times d over dt u. D na lang tuloy natin to. Sige, du na lang. Tapos ito magiging u. So, u natin is itong wt. Yan yung u natin. Wt. du over dt is equal to w lang naman. Kaya, copy natin yan. So, dx over dt is equal to C1 d over dt cosine u. Ano lang yan? Sine u. Times u, w, plus C2 d over dt sine u cosine u. Ito pala, magiging negative sine u. Lagyan natin ng sunod times w yung sagot kanina. W. Ibalik natin yung u which is wt dx over dt equal to negative C1 sine wt. Iunahan na natin yung w. So, negative C1w plus C2w cosine wt. Sunod, differentiate natin ulit. So, magiging d squared x all over dt squared equal to negative C1 times W. Copy lang natin itong dalawa. Since yung dalawa, ano yan, pwede yan natin i-separate kasi constant. D over dt times sine WT. Pwede natin yan isulat na as sine u times d over dt u plus C2w d over dt cosine u times d over dt u. Ang u ulit natin dito is wt. So, u is equal to wt. du over dt equal to w. So, palitan lang natin lahat. Magiging c squared x all over dt squared is equal to negative C1 w. Ang ano nito, pag differentiate ito, magiging cosine u times du over dt equal to w plus c squared w d over dt ng cos u, negative sine u, times u over dt is w. So, simplify natin. D squared x over dt squared equal to negative C1 w squared cosine u ay palitan natin ng wt plus C2w squared sine wt. Yung negative sign natin dito, ilipat na lang natin sa unahan. Dito na lang siya. So, magiging negative na to. Erase lang natin to. Sunod na gagawin natin is i-isolate natin yung W squared dito. Kasi common siya. So, magiging, dito na lang tayo. D squared x over dt squared is equal to negative. Parehas may negative sign. Negative, negative. So, negative W squared times C1 cosine WT plus C2 WT, ay W squared. Ay, mali, wala na pang W squared. Sine WT. Tapos, dyan, makikita natin na familiar itong, ano na to, expression na to. Ito. Ito yan. Ma-equate yan siya dyan. Dito. Kasi, same lang, di ba? Same ang value ng x niya. So, gagawin natin ito, magiging d squared x all over dt squared is equal to negative w squared. Tapos, itong expression na to, equal siya dito sa x. So, magiging x na lang. Yan. Sunod, simplifying na lang, lilipad lang naman natin sa left side over dt squared plus w squared x is equal to 0. So, checking kung tama bang sagot. Tama naman. So, yan na yung final answer natin. Na-eliminate yung C1, C2, pero hindi na-eliminate yung W. Kasi yun yung parameter. Itong W. Ito ang final answer.